Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're watching this video, you must be ready to take your home coffee game to the next level by investing in a milk frother. So if you're like me, you're looking for something that's dependable, well-made, and easy to use. Let me introduce you to this milk frother from BIZEWO. This is a standalone milk frother. It has a heating milk mode, a hot dense foam mode, a hot airy foam mode, and a cold milk froth mode. This is literally push button easy. Because it has this cover, it's remarkably quiet. You simply place milk in it, hit what you want, and wait. It makes a very slight beeping sound to tell you that it's all done. I made the cold foam and I put it on top of an iced coffee, which was incredible. The hot foam was so thick and so dense, even though I was only using almond milk. I was blown away by the quality. It's a stainless steel interior and is super simple to clean. It's quiet, self-contained, and fast. So if you're ready to upgrade your home coffee game like I was, and you're looking for a milk frother, look no further. Quick, easy, simple to clean up. You literally hit the button, wait, and it's done for you. You can make the coffee, walk away and do something else, come back, and the foam is ready. I'm so in love with it. It's convenient, and I really feel that because of its quality, it's gonna last me a long time. So add it to your cart, you won't be sorry, and that is my point of view.